Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and I'm going to show you how to air fry Gorton's breaded fish fillets. Now it's just $3.90 for 9 minutes, and you can find the air fryer that I'm using. Expand this video's description, and then click the link there to find it. But I'm going to do $3.90, temperature of 390, and then I'm going to do 9 minutes. And if you don't preheat, you may want to plan to cook it another minute or so. What I usually do, I'll just check at 9 minutes and see where it is. But typically for me, 9 minutes, even without preheating, is done. I want to make sure I've got a good crispy batter, and obviously want to make sure the fish is done because this is frozen fish. But it's actually a quite tasty meal, and it's reasonably healthy as well, even though it's breaded. So tell me what you think. Expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order my air fryer online and find all my other air frying recipes too. Thanks for your viewership, but be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day.